3-axis CNC milling machine. This is the battery, 12 volt 7Ah 8-axis recharging battery. This is the keypad. You will set the length breadth. This display, microcontroller 18H52. X-axis 2 relay, Y-axis 2 relay, Z-axis 2 relay. All the relay having Z-axis means the Z-axis. Tag to tag without tag to tag. X-axis this motor. This is the X-axis motor. This is Y-axis motor. This is the milling tool. This is the milling machine. Milling machine is Axis milling machine. Here speed control is there. Lock is there. Everything is there. These are lead screw mechanism. 16 mm lead screw mechanism. This is 1.5 feet. This is 1 feet. This is 8 inch. Shaft radar 15 mm. Guide push 25 mm. DC motor 12 volt 90 watt 60 rpm. Permanent DC warm gear motor. This is 3 inch vise. Here we are fixing the workpiece for wood dusty workpiece. So you can use nylon or anything. Nylon, plastic, fiber, wood. Then you go to set the timing here. Press enter. First of all you go to enter the key. Axis X direction, forward. Then you go to put any direction. 10 or 15, 20 depending upon the length it will be coming. 15. Y-axis, X-axis, reverse also 15. Y-axis 8. Y-axis reverse 8. Z-axis, this is the gap. So you got to put 8. That's also 8. This is also 8. Then waiting time. After you remove the workpiece, then you got to put the next workpiece. The waiting time you got to put on your 15 seconds because you have to remove and you have to put the next workpiece now. This is continuous operation. Without stopping it will be working. Only you have to change the workpiece only. 15, it will be over, completed. Then you go to press the increment key, the system will be working automatically. Light put. Light put. It will be working on the Z-axis. We are moving X-axis motor. Then X-axis will be moving. After X-axis is over, then Z-axis moving, Y-axis moving. Then Y-axis, this direction. Then made 1 second X-axis. Rectangular milling. Then 1 second Y-axis move. Y-axis. New rectangle will come. Then after going initial position, we will go into upward automatically. This is upward. Then you have to change the workpiece. Then waiting time. Then 1 second it will be coming down automatically. It will be working downward. Then X-axis. Depending upon the Y is 10, Z is 10, Z is 10. In that setting means it will be working perfectly. If you want any extra means you got to add by using the keypad, you got to add any dimensions. Same will be working. Shape. milling motor. DC motor, 12 volt, 90 or 60 rpm. This is a milling speed increaser. We are having the adjustable speed. After reaching the initial position, we have to remove the battery line. Now Z axis will be upward. This motor is rotating. After it stops, we will take remove from the battery. Stop. So we have to put X axis 20, Y axis 10, then Z axis 10.
Double side comes.
So now this is the milling. This is the milling portion. Here also the milling portion. So you got to increase the length, breadth, everything is possible. In demo purpose, we are using little bit milling operation is possible. This is wood, plastic, fiber, nylon, everything is possible.